हाय फ्रेंड्स, दिस इज एमडी वसीम। वेलकम टू माय चैनल वसीम एकेडमी। फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके सामने लेकर के आया हूँ वेस्ट बंगाल प्राइमरी टेट के इम्पोर्टेंट ईवीएस के कुछ इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस और आंसर्स इन इंग्लिश वर्जन्स। तो फ्रेंड्स, प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। आइए फ्रेंड्स, हम लोग स्टार्ट करते हैं ईवीएस के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो कि इंग्लिश वर्जन में होगा। वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अपकमिंग एग्जाम ऑफ डब्ल्यूबी प्राइमरी टेट। क्वेश्चंस नंबर 1, plant preserves solar energy in food as option number 1 thermal energy, electric energy, option number C chemical energy and option number D magnetic energy। तो फ्रेंड्स, इसका राइट आंसर होगा ऑप्शन नंबर सी chemical energy। plant preserves solar energy in food as a chemical energy। Next question number 2, how many horizons are the layers of the earth divided into? I repeat, how many horizons are the layer of the earth divided into? Option number 1 3, option number B 5, option number C 7, option number D 9. The right answer is option number B 5. The earth's horizons, or you can say layer of the earth, divided into 5 horizons. Next question number 3, what color of soil is B horizons made of? What color of soil is B horizons made of? Option number 1 black, option number B brown, option number C white, and option number D yellow. The right answer is option number A black. Next question number 3, in which horizons is layer of water visible? I repeat, in which horizon is layer of water visible? Option number 1 O, option number B A, option number C B, and option number D R. The right answer is option number D R. In R horizons, layer of the earth water are visible. Next question number 4, forests of the mangrove like trees are seen at the connecting point of the sea and land. Sorry, option number 1 connecting point of the sea and land, option number B side of the following river, option number C area of the red soil, option number D area infested by the black soil. So here answer is option number 1 connecting point of the sea and land. Next question, quantity of the nitrogens in air is approximately. Option number 1 15%, option number B 37%, option number C 78%, and option number D 97%. The quantity of nitrogen in air is approximately 78%. Next questions, quantity of the oxygens in air is approximately. I repeat, quantity of oxygens in air approximately. Option number 1 10%, option number B 20, option number C 30, and option number D 40. So friends, here right answer is option number 2 20% oxygens in air approximately. Next question is name of the atmospheric layer which we live in. I repeat, name of the atmospheric layer which we live in is number 1 is troposphere, number B is stratosphere, number C is mesosphere, number D is ionosphere. The right answer is option number 1 troposphere. The human life exists. In stratosphere, ozone layer are found. Next question, temperature dimensions in per kilometer height of the troposphere. I repeat, temperature diminishes per kilometer height in the troposphere. Here answer is 2 degrees Celsius, answer B is 3 degrees Celsius, option number C 6.5 degrees Celsius, and option number D 15 degrees Celsius. Here right answer is option number C, 6.5 degree Celsius. Next question is question dash percent of the total area of the earth is situated in the sea dash. I repeat, dash the percentage of the total water of the earth is situated in sea. So here right answer is option number D. Next question is salinity of seawater. Salinity of seawater is option number 1 2 parts per thousand, 3.5 parts per thousand, option number C 35 parts per thousand or 350 parts per thousand. So friends, here right answer is option number C 35 parts per thousand. Next question is residual soil. Residual soil. Which type of soil is? Number 1 option is the soil which is formed on bedrock. Option number B, the soil which is drained off and assembled to another region. Option number C, the soil whose formation is not complete yet. Next is the soil in which portions of the gravel excessive. The friend here right answer is option number 1, soil which is formed on bedrock. Next question is in which soil are the portions of the sand and silt almost equal? I repeat, which of the following which in which soil are portions of sand and silt movement equal? Here right answer is here option is sandy soil, loamy soil, option number C is silty soil and clay soil. Here right answer is option number C, silty soil. Next question what is the capital what is called universal solvent? Water is called the universal solvent. Humidity in air is measured by hygrometer. Next question is predominance of the under mentioned element are seen in organic. Right answer is CHON. Next question is almost dash different types of elements are formed in living cells. Dash is a large molecule that can create its own discipline. I repeat, dash is a large molecule that can create its own duplicate. Its answer is DNA. Next question is dash is called the storehouse of all knowledge. It is called DNA. DNA is called the storehouse of all knowledge. Next is the efficiency of transformations of the organisms according to the changes in the environment is conditions. Option is that adaptations, ecology, evolution, and heredity. Here right answer is option A, adaptations. So friends, these are some important questions of WB primary TET which will happen in the 31st January. Thank you friends. Please subscribe my channel and hit a bell icon, and any query please comment. Thank you friends.